something to, because the tadka takes too much oil for good life. So I am adding 4 spoons of oil. Yep, with green chili. So I am adding 2 spoons. Adding cumin seeds also.
So not cumin powder, cumin seeds.
Yeah, cumin powder is here. This is cumin seeds. So in the rajma we are adding cumin seeds only. Secondly, we need to wait until this ginger garlic paste turn like brown. Otherwise, sometimes the raw smell does not look good in the rajma. So we need to cook properly this one. So yes, I am cooking this one like ginger garlic paste in medium heat. High heat, it will be burnt. Now it's brown.
Perfect.
It's perfectly brown, no burn. Now I am adding onion paste. Yeah, we will not use chopped onion in this. Yeah, and then make a paste. It's still white, we need to wait more. When you saute the onion, it becomes transparent first.
Okay.
The color is white, then it turns to transparent, and then it starts turning color brown.
Okay.
So we need to wait here till it turns brown. Then we will add puree. Yeah, I'm adding little more oil. Yeah, it's getting too dry. According to your taste. Then I'm adding red pepper. According to your taste, a little bit. Then I'm adding turmeric, more for good color. Then I'm adding last garam masala. Then mix it well. Of purees. First, fresh tomatoes. 3 spoons of fresh tomatoes and tomato puree container 2 spoons. But it's very thick.
The whole flavor is in this paste.
Paste only.
Everything, yeah. And we are going to add
Kidney beans because it's done now. Yeah, it's a cooked one.
So you can put salt, a little bit of turmeric.
For garnishing.
Good. Excellent.